Hi everybody, Hugo here. Welcome to my channel. Today, a couple members of my family are coming over, so I want to do something with my go-karts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull them out and let them pick between the F-150, the Jeep, and the Mustang. I'm gonna be stuck with the little pocket bike because I'm the only one who can ride that thing. It's really hard to turn, but I'm gonna try to have a race, but they don't know anything about go-karts, so I'm afraid that they're gonna be slow or they're gonna be too fast, and you know we don't want an accident. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them drive around until they feel comfortable, and then we're gonna do a small race and see who can pull it out and win. But it's just a fun day, so that's more than a fun time. So stay tuned and see you soon. everybody. That was it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. I was only able to get two people, so I was able to drive my Mustang. I really want to drive my pocket bike, but I hope I can do it in the next episode. So we're gonna get one more person so we can all ride around. So it's gonna be better. I mean, it was fun today. We have a lot of fun. It was great. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.